Right then, I've got to be a bit careful what I say on this video because I've already had a letter from some people that manufacture these sort of things. Now this is all about looking after your pet's health. Now then, I come and clean your carpets. I know exactly how the tank looks when I extract all the water, and these eyes, being old ones, know exactly what's going on in your carpet. So I see people, they use spotters, you know, the little cat has a little accident or someone spills some gravy, you know, that type of thing. Get a spotter from the shop and everything's lovely. There's a few things that's not good about that. The main thing I want to talk about is how it hurts your pets. Now then, this is where I've got to be careful about what I say about what's inside of it. So all I'm going to say is, when you buy something from the shop, have a look on the label. If you don't understand the words that are about this long, about what's actually in there, you know, it's not going to be good for the pet. What happens? You spray it down, you clean it up, your cat or dog or you know, your child comes along, stands in it, oh dear, licks all that to get it off. It burns its mouth, then it burns its tongue, then it burns its stomach. You know, it can be really bad. Anyway, I see this, you know, 5 or 6 times a week minimum. And I've seen quite a few this week. I try to tell people, and most people are really interested. But over the years, you know, I've been saying it, and they say, well, you know, what do you recommend? And I can't recommend anything because I know exactly what's in everything, and anything you can buy from the shops, well, I'm just saying you need to understand what's in it. If you don't understand it, don't use it. So we've had this developed, it's a few months ago now. It's a spotter. Yeah, it gets rid of your stains, whether you've got cats or dogs or not, but it is safe to use for your cats and dogs and your children. So, you know, there's a page on the website, I'll put a link underneath for this, but that's not what it's mainly about. We've got cats, you know, everybody loves their animals. If you really do care about them, you know, don't use, and you don't want to buy anything, just don't use anything, just use tepid water on it. Now people say, oh, I'm going to shrink my carpet. You know, with half a cup of water and tamping it off, you're not going to shrink your carpet. And most of the carpets, and I'm not going to say most, but a lot of the carpets out there are polypropylene or some kind of plastic mix, okay, which is brilliant. But they won't shrink because they can't. You know, a lot of people say, well, you know, you're going to shrink the carpet. You're not going to shrink the carpet with half a cup of water, okay? So just beware of that. If you do want the spotter, just go to the page. You can order it online from me and just go from there. But just watch out. And here's me not saying anything bad about any producers or anything.
Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family firm that's locally owned. Carpets, rugs, upholstery, and so much more. The value and the service that you're looking for.